What's up, real estate rock stars? It is Mighty Mike, and this is Rockstar News, your news source for all real estate. All right, so some good news out there. Governor DeSantis just submitted a proposal to the counties of the state of Florida in order to basically come up with their guidelines when it comes to reopening for Airbnb, short-term rentals. So a lot of you guys out there who have, your investors, this is your main source of income. You're thinking about, what's going to happen with my business? Well, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's essentially the next couple days or maybe a week or so, we'll have more information on this. But I know from just reading the reports that a ton of investors out there, especially short-term investors, Airbnbers, they were struggling hardcore because of this pandemic. And this also has a lot to do with the hotel industry here in the state of Florida as well. They're going to be going underneath the same guidelines, and it's going to be left up to the counties on how they're going to actually do it, which is good because it's being left up to the local communities. They know what's on the ground situation. They know how to handle it. Governor DeSantis is putting a lot of trust in them. So he's essentially saying, hey, look, come up with a plan. We'll see if it works. If it fits in the guidelines of protecting people, then we'll be good with it. The other question is, with the current situation that's happening here in the state of Florida and around the world, will the tourists actually come back? Tourism is our bread and butter when it comes to our economy. The question is, will, individual people and families, visitors, will they have the confidence to come back and feel safe and secure? And the second question is, will the economy be good enough for that? Right now we have about 33 million people have lost their jobs or at least been furloughed. They have applied for the unemployment benefits in the system. So who knows what the economy is going to be like? Everybody's kind of guessing right now. And I'll report more information as time goes along. But just to keep this brief as possible, good news is that there is a light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to Airbnbers. Bad question is just no one knows what's going to happen. With this, are we going to see a spike in the fall? We're going to see the economy kind of take a dive even deeper than what it is right now. The more and more people go unemployment, the less they're spending, the less money they're spending, the less that's being circulated back into their pockets. Yeah, so it's a all around tough situation for pretty much everybody. But I like to hear what you guys think. Go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let's have a discussion. Let's talk about what's going on with investors, what's going on in the housing market, because that's interesting. Everybody's predicting essentially we're going to see the housing market crash. Other people are saying that the housing market could potentially save the economy. New home demand is kind of dying right now, and it has a lot to do with the fact that most people are losing their jobs. So really interesting times. I want to know what you realtors, what you investors, what you landlords, and even you renters, what you guys are up to. What are your plans? What do you think is going to happen in the future? So go leave it down in the comments down below. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps out the channel tremendously. And it helps you guys stay up to date about what's going on. And like I said, I'm trying to keep these on a weekly basis, but things come up. And I'm currently working on some other projects as well. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Much love. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and you have a good one.